Hey guys, it's 10 past 10 on the 31st of August 2012 and Camp Nano is nearly over. I think I'll start by saying what a month it has been, what a rollercoaster ride I've been on, and how much fun I've had this month. It's been brilliant and wonderful, and the fact that I've been doing it with so many of you guys who've been doing the same challenge as me and getting that word count out every single day is just a brilliant feeling. I'd say a huge thank you to Tracy Michelle 210 and One More Southern Belle, whose collaboration challenge I've been watching throughout the month. All the tasks that they set each other were brilliant, and I enjoyed taking part and doing video responses for all of them. They really made me think about my novel and think about where I wanted to take my plot. So a big thank you to you too. My final word count for Nano August 2012 stands at 12,710 words, which I'm extremely proud of as I beat my word count from last year, and I hope to get this novel finished, or at least the first draft of it finished. I will still be doing videos about my writing after Nano, including updates on A New Lease of Life, which is the novel I've been working on this month. And I'm also hoping to set up a writing collab channel, but I'm not telling you who with yet. Also, I'll be uploading book reviews on the books I neglected to read during Camp Nano, including John Green's Looking for Alaska, which I finished during Nano, and a book that I've just started reading, which was written by One More Southern Belle, and she's just recently published it to ebook, called Whispers on the Wind, Ari's Story, which you can now buy exclusively from lulu.com, and I'll put a link to down below. It's really good so far, and I suggest you go and buy it. After Whispers on the Wind, Ari's Story, it's been recommended that I read this book, The Cloud Atlas by David Mitchell, which apparently has a very clever plot. So when I've read that, I will do a book review on that as well. I'll probably do a written book review on my blog, which I'll link to down below, and also on my Goodreads page, which will also be linked to down below, and I will also do a video book review. I think that's all that needs to be said, other than another great big thank you to everyone who supported me throughout Camp Nano, and anyone who did Camp Nano. Well done, you've achieved something brilliant. You've put out a story that no one else could have told, and that's something remarkable.